Hi everyone, this is Pranali again. So today we are going to talk about a very interesting topic. It's about the yogic perspective towards non-vegetarian diet. So basically, when we talk about diet, we can divide it into two basic categories like vegetarian and non-vegetarian. But it is said in yoga that if you are practicing yogic lifestyle, then you should eliminate non-veg food completely. And there are some basic observations and facts which are mentioned in the yogic literature. Some of the facts are very interesting. For example, there are certain physical things that you can observe in human body, like physical aspect that you can observe in human body, which lead to the conclusion that why humans are not supposed to have non-vegetarian food. For example, if you consider herbivorous animals and carnivorous animals, herbivorous animals are those who eat only like plants. They do not eat meat or non-veg other animals. And carnivorous animals are those animals who feed on meat or flesh, we can say. So if we observe the style of their diet over the ages, we can say that they have not altered their style of diet. Like herbivorous animals still cannot eat meat or flesh, and that applies to carnivorous animals too. And there are certain facts. For example, carnivorous animals have long teeth for ripping of the meat, which we humans do not have. The second thing is, if we observe the structure of intestine, then it is much similar to herbivorous animals. Like structure of human intestines is much similar to herbivorous animals. There is one more thing that we can observe, like carnivorous animals drink water with the help of their tongue. Unlike humans, we use our lips to drink water like herbivorous animals. So these are very basic facts. But after studying all these factors in yoga, it is advised that if you want to be a yogi, then you should eliminate non-vegetarian diet completely. The other thing is that if you observe the evolution of animals, then again, as I said earlier, these animals have sticked to their natural instincts when it comes to the style of diet. The herbivorous animal, carnivorous animals, they eat in the same way as they were eaten in, like, before some years, or before, even centuries ago. The style is still the same. So it is advised that we should stick to the natural instinct and natural style when it comes to diet, and we should not eat non-vegetarian food. Now this is the one aspect. And it is also said that by eating non-vegetarian food, we lose that natural balance, and somehow we invite the illness and diseases. Now when I say illness, it is not only limited to only like physical aspect, but it somehow affects your mental health as well. Now talking about mental health, actually it's a whole different and huge topic. I'm still learning about it. I'm still reading about it. So we will surely talk about how non-vegetarian food can affect your mental health in some other episode. But if we conclude, then if you want to follow yogic lifestyle, you should avoid, rather you should eliminate non-vegetarian food completely. That's it. uh, Thank you.